electrode is cathode? Can you
Ma'am, no.
identify this?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Can you please tell me the chapter is? The chapter is chemical effects of electric current. Right? So, can anyone tell me what is anode? What is cathode? What is anion? And what is cation? Yes. Okay. So many students are raising the hands. Oh, yeah, the name. Okay. Now, what is anode? Yes, Aristotle, Ekta Jindal. Absent. Absent. Okay. Or Bindo Dia Singh. Absent. See. कैसे रिमेम्बर रखना है बेटा आपने इनको? Cations, anodes, cations. See, simply you just make it. आप इस जो cation है ना, see, anode are positively charged or negatively charged? Yes, anode is positively charged or negatively charged?
Positive.
Positively charged. Okay. There's some problem on the board. I'm asking the staff. See, we have anode. We have cathode. We have anion. And we have cation. See, cations are always positively charged. See, can we write cation as this? Positive समझ लो. अगर आपको ये चीज समझ आ गई ना, cations are positively charged. Rest of everything will become easy for you to remember. Positive, cations are positive. It means anions are negative. Cations are positive. Cathode is always negative, and it will be positive. Right? If I have a battery like this, okay, and I have electrodes over there in the electrolytic tank, like this. This is the electrolytic tank, right? So, This is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. This electrode is negatively charged or positively charged?
Positive.
Positively charged. See, this is positively charged and this will become the negatively charged. So this is anode or this is cathode?
Anode.
Anode is positive. See, तभी मैंने यहाँ पे पहले से ही लिखा anode is positively charged. So this terminal is known as anode and this will become cathode. See, now if I have two different type of ions in my solution, namely positive ions and negative ions, towards anode, which type of ions will move?
Negative ion.
Negative ions will move. Why they are moving towards the positive charge?
For the oxidation.
As unlike charges attract each other.
As the opposite charges attract each other. ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट है हमारा कहां पर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्जेस के कॉन्सेप्ट में. Here is something different. नेगेटिव चार्ज मींस नेगेटिव चार्ज. अच्छा मुझे बताइए किसी भी एलिमेंट के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्यों आता है? Why there is a negative charge? You have seen many times we are writing Cl negative.
Because it is
Gives you Na plus. Why you are writing Cl negative and why you are writing Na plus?
Because an atom's gain or loses electron to get its octet configuration.
So Cl negative has lost the electron or it has gained the electron?
gain.
Gained.
Gained. One electron. It has gained one electron. And what about Na plus?
It has lost one electron to become stable.
Yes. Everyone is getting, because I am getting the response from only one student. What about the rest of the students? Everyone is getting now. See, the element which have the negative charge on it, it means it has gained some electrons. Positive sign means the element has lose some electron. Is this clear? Now, here, suppose this is Na positive and this is Cl negative. These ions will move towards the opposite side because sodium will move towards negative. What is the purpose of this? Chlorine will move towards the positive side because it has gained electron. This chlorine will move to the anode and will lose the electron now. Again it will lose the electron and it will become, क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर वो Cl बनता जाएगा. 2Cl will combine and it will form Cl2. Cl2 is a gas or not?
Yes, chlorine gas.
Is a chlorine gas. Okay. Similarly, sodium ion, which earlier loses the electron, now it will move towards the cathode and it will gain it electron. जो इसने ऑलरेडी लूज किया था ना वो इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको कहां मिलेगा? एट द कैथोड. आपको पता है ना कैथोड क्या होते हैं? नेगेटिवली चार्ज मींस दे हैव एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड. Sodium will go towards cathode and it will take its electron back and will become sodium metal again, or you can say sodium atom. Is this clear to everyone? Right? Okay. Is this clear? Now difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. You have two different type of cells. One is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell, and another is electrochemical cell. Can you tell me the difference? Yes. Just raise your hand. Who can tell me the difference between these two? Yes, raise your hands.
Yeah, तेरी वीडियो नहीं देख रहा है.
Anyone knows the answer? Come in front of the mic and then speak. आ जाओ बेटा, जिसको आते जल्दी से आओ.
Ma'am, the electrochemical cell is a cell that produces electricity with the help of chemicals.
Okay.
Ma'am, electrolytic cell is this type of is a voltmeter that is in which the process of electrolysis happens.
To produce energy.
I will simplify your answer. You are telling me the right answer, but I will give you the simple terms for this answer. Right? See, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल, पहले इसको ही समझते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्लस केमिकल. ठीक है, मींस केमिकल यूज हो रहा है एंड देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज प्रोड्यूसिंग. आपने इस टाइप के सेल देखे हैं जिसपे एक पॉजिटिव होता है, एक साइड नेगेटिव होती है. ये सब जिसको हम 1.5 जो नॉर्मल हमारे वॉच में डलते हैं, वॉल क्लॉक में डलते हैं, काफी जगह रिमोट सेल जो होते हैं, दे आर बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स. हम ऐसे लगाते हैं ना इसको सर्किट के साथ, यहाँ पे बल्ब लगा दिया. ठीक है, इसके अंदर केमिकल्स होते हैं, इस सेल के अंदर होते हैं केमिकल. दीज केमिकल्स आर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. Right? So we can write in electrochemical cells, chemical energy converts into electrical energy. Right? Is this clear? ये समझ आ गया बेटा सबको? Electrochemical cell, in electrochemical cells, chemical energy is getting converted into electrical energy. इस सेल की एनर्जी को हम यूज करेंगे और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. Is this clear? And the reverse happens in this case. In this case, electrical energy will convert into chemical energy. Clear? ये मुझे कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा? बाय गिविंग एग्जांपल. अभी पूरी एक्सप्लेनेशन तो मुझे मिली है, स्टिल आई वांट सम बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन नाउ. एनीवन टेल मी? यस
मैम, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल की.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
मैम इन दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल्स मैम जो इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस है मींस जो हम जब उसमें इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करते हैं तो अनायंस और कटायंस में जब वो सेपरेट होते हैं उससे मैम पावर जनरेट होती है.
बिल्कुल. हमने क्या किया, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ये हमारा कोई भी इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रोड्स डले होते हैं. ठीक है, इसके साथ क्या लगा होता है? हाँ जी, यहाँ पर क्या लगा होता है? कोई सेल या बैटरी लगी होगी. ठीक है, हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इसमें पहले देंगे और जो आयंस है उनकी मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. पॉजिटिव आयंस नेगेटिव की तरफ जाएंगे, इसको नेगेटिव और इसको पॉजिटिव कर लो. ठीक है, नेगेटिव आयंस पॉजिटिव की तरफ जाएंगे एंड नेगेटिव आयंस टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव. Positive move towards negative and negative starts moving towards positive. So here electrical energy is getting converted into chemical energy. Is this clear?
Yes.
चलिए ये लिख लीजिए बेटा. Write the question. What is the difference between? Now you have the worksheets, I think.
And yes.
इसी का क्वेश्चन था बेटा ये जो मैंने अभी आपसे पूछे. What is the difference between 14th question of your worksheet? What is the difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell? Now can you write the answer? ये लिख लीजिए, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू केमिकल एनर्जी एंड केमिकल एनर्जी टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए बेटा पूरी क्लास में?
मैम यस.
चलिए, now we will start with the question number 1.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए.
मैम जो मैम इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल है उसमें हमने पहले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देनी भी पड़ेगी, तो फिर तो मैम हमारे पास जितनी की एनर्जी बनेगी तो मैम उतनी की यूज हो जाएगी, फिर हमें उससे प्रॉफिट क्या होगा उसको यूज करने से?
प्रॉफिट के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं हम, इसमें डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस के लिए कर रहे हैं, जैसे इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग, जैसे इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिफाइनिंग. तो मीन टाइम जब तक हमारा वो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, वी विल सप्लाई द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
मैम
यहाँ
ओके.
पर हमारा पर्पस आयन को ब्रेक करना नहीं है, मतलब एटम को ब्रेक करना नहीं है कि मेरे पास NaCl है और उसको मैंने Na प्लस एंड Cl में ब्रेक करना है. दिस इज नॉट माई पर्पस. This is not the purpose. The purpose is something different. That I want pure sodium metal from NaCl.
मैम
Right?
ओके.
Till the time I am not getting the pure metal, the process will continue. See, everyone is done with the answer. Now question number 1, assertion reason. In case of fire, before the fireman uses the water hose to throw water to control fire, they shut off the main supply of electricity for the area. Is it true or false? Yes?
True.
Is it? It is true. Reason, water is a good conductor of electricity.
True.
True. So the right answer will be A will be the right answer, that both are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Am I clear? See, question number 2. जिसको कोई डाउट होगा बेटा कहीं पे भी, just ask me once, otherwise हम कंटिन्यू रखेंगे टॉपिक सारा. Assertion, most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of acid, bases and salts. Is it
True.
right? True. Distilled water does not conduct electricity. ये क्यों कंडक्ट नहीं करता है?
सॉल्ट नहीं होता मैम, और ये आयन डिसोसिएट नहीं करता, इसलिए पहले मिनरल का सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व नहीं होता.
तो मिक्स हो रही है बेटा. तो ये और बिंदु से जो गर्ल बोल रही है बेटा, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. माइक ऑन कर लो बेटा, ऑफ पर है आपका माइक.
Ions doesn't dissociates and it doesn't contains any type of dissolved salt, that's why.
In water, yes. There are two reasons. Good. Distilled water does not contain any type of salt or impurity. तो इसमें आयंस की कम प्रेजेंस होती है. बट बेटा एक चीज बताओ, जब वाटर है इसके अंदर दो तरह के आयंस होते हैं. ये वाले वाटर इटसेल्फ कंटेन्स आयंस. अगर डिस्टिल्ड वाटर है उसके अंदर मान लिया इंप्योरिटीज नहीं है, आयंस अदर इंप्योरिटीज नहीं है, कोई सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट नहीं है, but water itself contains these ions. Then why distilled water is not conducting electricity? Because number of these ions are equal. जैसे अगर आपके पास +5 and -5 हो, then answer will be, क्या करोगे? प्लस करोगे तो 0 हो जाएगा, कट गया. There will be no charge. So similarly here H plus ions and OH negative ions, these ions are equal in amount, and that is why distilled water do not conduct electricity. ठीक है जी? हाँ जी, समझ आ गया सबको?
Yes.
Third question, bulb can be used as a tester but magnetic compass does not. Is it true or false?
False.
Yes, Aristotle. लास्ट में से बेटा कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है, लास्ट बेंचेस में से. It is false. Why it is false?
False. We can use magnetic compass also.
We can use the magnetic compass also. Magnetic compass is something like this. Here is North Pole, here is South Pole, and this is the magnetic compass. If there is the presence of current, then this magnetic compass will move.
It will show deflection.
Okay, that will show the presence of electric current. Am I clear? Now, reason LED can be used in place of bulb to detect the presence of even small current.
True.
So the assertion is false and reason is true. Now, next question. Chromium plating is done on many objects such as bath taps, bicycle handles, and bars, etc. Reason, chromium has a shiny appearance and does not corrode. True. Assertion is true. Reason is true. Is it the correct explanation or not?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Is the correct explanation also. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of corrosion? Here you have the word, no? Meaning of corrosion? Yes. What is the meaning of corrosion? Yes. Only less than true. पीछे एरिस्टोटल लास्ट बेंच से जो बॉय का हैंड रेज है, आ जाओ पीछे. कम फास्ट.
In which a metal loses its quantity itself over time due to the reaction with water and moisture. Air and oxygen and moisture.
एयर एंड मॉइस्चर आप बोल सकते हो. बस यही आंसर था. Basically, when metal surfaces become dull in appearance due to the presence of air and moisture. Right? Iron corrode होते हैं.
Yes.
And corrosion of iron is known as?
Rust.
Yes, corrosion of iron is known as rusting. Very good. Now, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 to 14 अभी हम इसके बाद करेंगे सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वी विल कंप्लीट द एमसीक्यूज. राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू में अरुण वेंट टू द सी साइड. He collected some sea water for testing. He tested some drinking water and also the sea water with his tester. He finds that his tester needle deflects more in case of sea water because. Yes, फटाफट से आंसर बताइए.
D option.
D option.
D is the right answer. ठीक है, किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो पूछ लेना. ठीक है. In the electrolysis of water, what are the products formed at the anode and cathode respectively? Yes.
B.
Yes, fast.
B.
B.
Option B.
पक्का?
Yes.
कौन कौन किसी और ऑप्शन के साथ है? Anode and cathode. Anode is positive, cathode is negative. Now, electrolysis of water means H2 ions and O2 ions. H2 पॉजिटिव होते हैं बेटा, O नेगेटिव आयंस होते हैं. तो कौन कहाँ जाएगा? ऑक्सीजन कहाँ जाएगा? पॉजिटिव के पास, और पॉजिटिव जाएगा नेगेटिव के पास. जिसको नहीं आता समझ लो. ठीक है. सो ऑक्सीजन, एनोड के पास ऑक्सीजन एंड कैथोड के पास हाइड्रोजन. बी विल बी द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग इज डन टू
Option B.
Option B.
B.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 in the given figure electrolyte anode and cathode respectively are
B. EAC.
B,
B.
A, C. क्लियर है बेटा सबको? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द एक्सपेरिमेंट इफ A is plated with copper the anode would be
B.
B.
B is the right answer again. बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लेना, ठीक है? B is the right answer again. Now the question number 6. An electric current is passed through a conduction solution. Some statements are given here. चलिए फटाफट से स्टेटमेंट रीड करो और फटाफट जल्दी से मुझे आंसर बताओ.
D option.
D option.
All are correct.
D option.
D option मुझे बताओ कि solution may get heated. Is it true?
मैम यस मैम, क्योंकि मैम मूवमेंट होगी अनायंस और कटायंस की तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी पैदा होगी, इससे हीटिंग हो सकती है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल करेक्ट. देखो उसमें अब आयंस जो है वो मूव करेंगे, ये आयंस में मूवमेंट हो रही है, मूवमेंट ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड जो एनर्जी इट विल प्रोड्यूस हीट आल्सो एंड मोर ओवर हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस पास कर रहे हैं उसमें से. बबल्स ऑफ गैस में भी फॉर्म्ड ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इज इट ट्रू?
मैम
कैसे?
इन केस ऑफ वाटर इलेक्ट्रोल मैम, जब मैम वाटर को इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करेंगे तो मैम उसके मैम हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के बबल्स एनोड्स और कैथोड के पास जाएंगे.
गैसेस के जब भी किसी इलेक्ट्रोड्स के ऊपर गैस प्रोड्यूस होगी इट विल प्रोड्यूस द बबल्स, whether it is in the case of hydrogen and oxygen, whether it is in the case of chlorine, any gas, the bubbles of the gas will definitely produce. Am I clear?
मैम यस.
चलिए एस और बिंदु 8 सीधे होके बैठो बेटा सारे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Electrolysis of molten solution of sodium chloride produces.
Option D.
D option.
D option.
कौन सी ऑप्शन?
D
D.
option.
Is it correct option? Do you know sodium hydroxide is NaOH? यहाँ भी कुछ समझने वाला है क्वेश्चन में. मैं अभी इसको 8th क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर लो, देन वी विल कम बैक टू द 7th क्वेश्चन. ठीक है? Actually, there is some mistake in question number 7. And then you are giving the answer D option. फटाफट से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. चलिए इसको ध्यान से रीड करो एक बार सभी, और फिर मैं जिसको बुलाऊंगी वही आंसर देगा. समझ के करना, ध्यान से.
ओके.
Option A.
ऑप्शन ए.
सेव कर लिया. अभी और ऑप्शंस आने दो. कोई बी बोलेगा, कोई सी, कोई डी. ऑप्शन किस किसने बोला है? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स.
विच ऑप्शन है
जो भी ऑप्शन बताएगा मुझे वो मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन देगा साथ में.
मैम?
ए बी सी डी से नहीं मैंने आंसर मान लेना. यू विल गिव मी ऑप्शन एक्सप्लेनेशन आल्सो.
एक्सप्लेनेशन है
एक ही एक्सप्लेनेशन है.
मैम. यस.
ओके गुड, वेरी गुड. बी ऑप्शन के साथ कौन कौन है? Just raise your hand. Just raise your hands who are with the B option. Yes, pass. No one. C option के साथ कौन है? एक दो हैंड्स रेज हुए हैं गलती से. एंड डी ऑप्शन के साथ चलिए ए ऑप्शन वाले मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे अब क्यों ए है।
मैम मैम क्योंकि मैम लिक्विड मैम अगर हम मर्क्यूरी की एग्जांपल लें तो मर्क्यूरी एक मेटल है और जो एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नहीं है लेकिन वो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करता है।
अच्छा चलो क्वेश्चन समझा सबने। देखो क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहे हैं, पी क्यू आर एस यू हैव फोर सब्सटेंसेस, इन फर्स्ट टू केसेस लाइट्स अप, बल्ब लाइट्स अप हो रहे हैं, आर में नहीं हो रहा, एस में नहीं हो रहा, एस में हो रहा है। हमें क्वेश्चन क्यू से रिलेटेड पूछा है तो हम क्यू पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं। सब्सटेंस एट कैथोड कुछ भी नहीं आया, कैथोड पे कोई सब्सटेंस डिपॉजिट नहीं हुआ, कोई गैस प्रोड्यूस नहीं हुई, एनोड पे कोई सब्सटेंस नहीं बना, कोई गैस प्रोड्यूस नहीं हुई, बट बल्ब गेट्स लाइट अप। देखो Q कैन नॉट बी अ नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, ए ऑप्शन इज टोटली रॉन्ग। अगर कोई नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, देखो आपने मरकरी की एग्जांपल बोली, वो मेटल है और मेटल लिक्विड स्टेट में एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बन जाती है।
मैम हमें
नॉन
मैम
इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मतलब देखो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तभी प्रोड्यूस होगी व्हेन देयर आर आयंस, अगर आयंस नहीं है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो सकती, एंड नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस आयंस एट ऑल।
मैम इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मैम वो भी तो होते हैं। इलेक्ट्रोलाइट की डेफिनेशन में ये आते हैं कि जो मेटल जो चीजें आयंस और अनायंस और कैटायंस में डिसोसिएट हों वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स होते हैं। तो फिर
हाँ।
मैम इसमें फिर तो मैम इसमें मैम वो बनेगी नहीं प्रॉपर डिसोसिएशन। मैम इसमें मैम मर्क्यूरी एक्चुअली
So mercury is the right answer. You are giving me the right answer, mercury. For that, your option will go with B. See, Q is an element which remain unchanged when it conducts electricity. क्यों है, देखो कोई भी मेटल, वो मर्करी हो गई, it can be mercury, it can be copper, it can be silver. When they are taken in their liquid form, आपको पता है ये किसका फॉर्मूला है, Ag is the formula of symbol of silver, Cu is for copper, Hg is for mercury. When these metals are taken in their liquid form, they will conduct electricity. Remember it, when these metals are in the liquid form, देखो चाहे ये सॉलिड में हो तब भी मरकरी कॉपर सिल्वर रहेंगे, अगर इनको मैंने लिक्विड फॉर्म में कर दिया तब भी ये मरकरी सिल्वर कॉपर रहेंगे, ये चेंज तो नहीं हुआ, बट इन लिक्विड फॉर्म दे विल कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। बात समझ आई। सो इसका ए आंसर नहीं जाएगा बेटा, नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट तो आयन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हैं, दैट विल नॉट बी द आंसर। क्यू इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ये भी नहीं हो सकता, अगर वो पुअर कंडक्टर है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब कैसे ग्लो हो रहा है। Q is an electrolyte that conducts electricity when it is in the molten state. And Q is an element which remain unchanged. देखो B और C में कंफ्यूजन हो सकती है, बट B आंसर क्यों है, क्योंकि एलिमेंट चेंज नहीं हुआ मेरा, वो बिफोर भी मरकरी है, आफ्टर मोल्टन स्टेट भी वो मरकरी है। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट। सो B विल बी द राइट आंसर। किसी को कंफ्यूजन है तो डिस्कस कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज वी आर मूविंग टू द 7th क्वेश्चन। सी इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 they are saying electrolysis of molten solution of sodium chloride। देखो दो तरह के सॉल्यूशन होते हैं बेटा, एक तो मोल्टन होता है और एक एक्वस होता है। कैन यू टेल मी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू, मोल्टन एंड एक्वस?
Aqua solution that contains water.
वाटर जिसमें होता है वो एक्वस होता है और मोल्टन प्योर एलिमेंट को जब हम मेल्ट कर लें
मेल्ट हीट कर रहे हैं, सॉल्यूशन ऑन हीटिंग, सॉल्यूशन मिला ऑन हीटिंग, एंड दिस सॉल्यूशन वी आर गेटिंग वाटर प्लस सॉल्ट। इसमें सॉल्यूशन ऑन हीटिंग द सॉल्ट, आप ये लिख सकते हो, सॉल्ट को हीट किया और मुझे सॉल्यूशन मिला, और इसमें वाटर प्लस सॉल्ट। अगर इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर बेटा एक्वस वर्ड होता साथ में, अब यहां पर दिया हुआ मोल्टन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड, मतलब NaCl को मेल्ट किया गया, हीट किया गया, तो वाटर कहां से आ गया इसके अंदर, ठीक है, हीट करेंगे तो Na और Cl2 मिलेगा हमें। इज दिस क्लियर? सो द ऑप्शन चेंज करो, इसमें डी ऑप्शन को क्लोरीन गैस एट एनोड ठीक है। एंड सोडियम मेटल एट कैथोड, हाइड्रोक्साइड वर्ड काट के कट कर दो हाइड्रोक्साइड वर्ड एंड उसकी जगह आप मेटल लिख लीजिए।
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी,
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो।
जो मर्की वाला तो मैम मैंने गूगल पे भी चेक किया था, जैमी ने भी, मैम सभी कह रहे हैं कि मर्की तो है ही नहीं इलेक्ट्रोलाइट।
बेटा
जैसे मैं
मर्करी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नहीं है, हम मोल्टन स्टेट की बात कर रहे हैं, जब उसको मेल्ट कर लिया जाएगा। देखो ना,
मैं मर्की
मोल्टन स्टेट में कोई भी मेटल गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बन जाती है मोल्टन स्टेट में। ऐसे तो मर्करी हीट भी नहीं कंडक्ट करता, बट थर्मामीटर में वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है, वो राइज करता है ना।
मैम
एक बार इसका दोबारा चेक कर लेना,
मैम ओके।
ध्यान से चेक करना। द राइट आंसर विल बी डी। नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ही कंडक्ट नहीं करेंगे बेटा, बल्ब ग्लो कर रहा है ना, नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कैसे बल्ब ग्लो करवा देंगे। ठीक है, ये वाला समझ आया आंसर। अगर इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर मोल्टन सॉल्यूशन की जगह एक्वस सॉल्यूशन दिया होता, देन यू विल हैव द राइट आंसर डी। तब भी राइट आंसर डी नहीं था जी, तब आंसर बनता ए, देन योर राइट आंसर विल बी ए। फिर हाइड्रोजन भी प्रोड्यूस होता उसमें। ठीक है, ये प्रोसेस अलग है, ये मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं करूंगी अभी आपको, अभी आप मोल्टन के साथ ही चलो।
मैम
ठीक है, चलिए नाउ कैन वी कम बैक टू द सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस। इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है? चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फटाफट से ऊपर वाले डायग्राम से कोरिलेट करके आंसर बताइए जरा मुझे। चलिए, इन विच डायरेक्शन आयन फ्लो इन अ सर्किट। देखो, दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, दिस इज अ नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, so this electrode is positively charged, right? This electrode is negatively charged. Now can you tell me the answer? Now it will become simpler for you.
पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव।
बस यही आंसर देना था। Negative ions move towards the anode and positive ions will move towards the cathode. This is the answer, right? Question number 6. Yes, question number 6. कौन बताएगा मुझे? उज्जवल कौर। Yes. What will be the answer of question number 6?
Ma'am, because it is used to pass electric current.
नहीं, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नेसेसरी क्यों है? थोड़ा सा आसपास हो, थोड़ी सी और ट्राई करो, गिविंग द गुड आंसर। थोड़ा सा इसको आयंस के बेसिस पर लेकर जाओ।
Because in electrolysis, electrolyte dissociates into ion, and ions go negatively charged ion goes to anode, positively charged ion goes to cathode, which is used to pass electric current.
वेरी, कोई डाउट किसी को? Electrolyte basically will produce ions, and ions will move towards anode or cathode, and the circuit देखो अगर हमारे पास बीच में गैप आ जाए, ये मेरे पास वायर है, यहां से करंट आ रहा है, कैन इट मूव टुवर्ड्स फर्दर? वायर कटी हुई है बीच में से, क्या ये करंट आगे फ्लो कर जाएगा? नहीं करेगा। तो यहां पे कैसे फ्लो कर रहा है? क्योंकि यहां से करंट चला, आगे कैसे जा रहा है फिर? बीच में क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, जिसके कारण करंट आगे फ्लो कर पा रहे हैं। ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आयंस। लिखो इसका आंसर, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट विल प्रोवाइड आयंस। Electrolyte will provide ions. And complete the process of electrolysis. ठीक है जी। Question number 7. What would happen if the electrodes were reversed during the electrolytic refining of copper? ऊपर डायग्राम दिया हुआ है, जिसमें एक स्पून है और एक कॉपर प्लेट है। अगर स्पून को कॉपर प्लेट की जगह लगा दें और कॉपर प्लेट को स्पून की जगह पर, then what will happen?
मैम मेटल जो मैम स्पून के ऊपर है मैम वो सारा उतर के कॉपर प्लेट के ऊपर लग जाएगा।
रिवर्स हो जाएगा प्रोसेस, वेरी गुड। अदरवाइज क्या हो रहा था? कॉपर प्लेट से कॉपर निकल के स्पून के ऊपर आ रहा था और स्पून हमारा कॉपर प्लेटेड बन रहा था।
लेकिन मैम जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है वो इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि हमें जो एनोड के ऊपर होती है मेटल, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट चाहिए होता है। फिर मैम इसके लिए तो फिर मैम Fe तो CuSO4 के साथ प्रॉपर बनाएगा नहीं कॉम्बिनेशन।
हाँ, नहीं, यहाँ पर हम फिलहाल दोनों कॉपर ही मानकर चल रहे हैं। एक्चुअली जो स्पून है वो भी ऑलरेडी कॉपर का ही है, बट उसके ऊपर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉपर प्लेटिंग कर रहे हैं।
मैम ओके।
प्रोसेस विल रिमेन सेम, अदरवाइज तो फिर हमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइट चेंज करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एक बार लीव करते हैं, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, ये आप कर लोगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखिए, why current does not flow through solid NaCl and CuSO4? CuSO4 means yes, एडमिटर कोई आंसर नहीं आ रहा है बेटा क्लास से। यस, कॉपर सल्फेट, दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉपर सल्फेट। ठीक है जी, चलिए अगर बोल रहे हैं इफ वी टेक कॉपर सल्फेट एंड NaCl in their solid form, what will happen to the current? Will the current flow?
No.
मैम नो।
Why?
Because in a liquid it dissociates into ions, but in a solid it doesn't dissociate into ions.
These substances will not dissociate into ions. लिख लो, in solid form NaCl and CuSO4 will not dissociate into ions. Will not dissociate into ions. Right? Now, question number 10. Why are metals always attracted towards cathode?
Because the metals are always cations.
Metal will always form. Metal are not cations. Metal will form cations. ठीक है, metals are not cations. वो lose करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन and then form cations. Is this clear to everyone?
मैम यस।
Next question. If a non-conductive solution was used instead of copper sulfate in the refining process, जो ऊपर वाला डायग्राम है, ठीक है, कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन वाला, अगर इसकी जगह पर हम कोई नॉन कंडक्टिव सॉल्यूशन ले लें, नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ले लें, then what will happen?
सर्किट विल नॉट।
Circuit will
नॉन
not.
इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ले लिया है ना, कोई आयंस ही नहीं बनेंगे, then how the circuit will complete? Non-electrolyte means, yeah, non-conducting solution means there are absence of ions. No ions will produce. Clear? चलिए next question. What is the difference in the electrolysis of molten NaCl and aqueous NaCl?
In molten NaCl, sodium and chlorine will produce aqueous NaCl, hydrogen
ions.
and the sodium hydrogen found away from the electron.
अब आपको क्वेश्चन ही आ गया आपके पास. अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया था वैसे. अगर मोल्टन लेंगे, molten NaCl, then it will produce Na and Cl2. ठीक है. If we take aqueous NaCl, then it will produce NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Then these products will be formed. ठीक है. ये लिख लीजिए. डिफरेंट आ गया थोड़ा सा, है ना. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. In some electrolytic cells, graphite electrodes are used, whereas as in some other metallic electrodes are used. Explain why. देखो, जो आपके पास ऊपर दो डायग्राम है, उसमें फर्स्ट डायग्राम के अंदर ग्रेफाइट इलेक्ट्रोड को यूज किया गया है. ठीक है. और सेकेंड डायग्राम के अंदर मेटल को यूज किया गया, कॉपर को यूज किया गया, दोनों जगह पर. कहने कि ये डिफरेंस क्यों आ रहा है कि some places we are using the graphite electrode and in some other situations we are using the copper plate or metal plates. Why this is happening? Yes, who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, because the graphite metallic electrodes are used when we have to do electroplating.
ठीक है.
And graphite electrodes are used when we have to extract the hydrogen and oxygen from water.
It is used for electrolytic refining. For
Where
electrolysis.
we need electroplating or electrolytic refining, we use metallic electrodes, and rest of all cases we will use graphite electrodes. जहां पे हमें प्रॉपर मेटल का काम करना है, वहां पर हम मेटेलिक इलेक्ट्रोड्स यूज कर लेंगे. जैसे इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग करनी है, प्रॉपर किसी मेटल की करनी है ना, मुझे गोल्ड प्लेटिंग करनी है, सिल्वर करनी है, कॉपर, क्रोमियम. क्रोमियम क्या होता है? इट इज अ मेटल और नॉन मेटल? आवाज नहीं आई आपकी.
Metal.
ये क्रोमियम होता है. समझ आ गया बेटा आंसर सबको? आई होप ये वर्कशीट इज completed now. Question number 8, if you want to check, you can see how can you differentiate between an anode and a cathode just by observing the movement of ions. हमें नहीं पता कि एनोड कौन सा है, कैथोड कौन सा है. आई एम नॉट अवेयर, मुझे नहीं पता इसके बारे में कि ये कैथोड है, ये एनोड है. मुझे बैटरी भी नहीं पता कि कौन सा पॉजिटिव है, कौन सा नेगेटिव है, मुझे नहीं पता. Just by looking at the movement of ions, can you tell?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, positive will go towards the cathode and negative will go towards the anode.
बिल्कुल सही. Positive will move towards a negative electrode and negative ions will move to the positive. तो ions की movement हम देख लेंगे, नेगेटिव कहाँ जा रही है, पॉजिटिव कहाँ जा रहे हैं. That will give us the anode and cathode. Is it okay to everyone? चलो, आई होप ये सबको समझ आ गया. सिंपल सी वर्कशीट थी, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं थी. ठीक है. किसी ने कोई डाउट पूछना है? एनीवन हैविंग द डाउट? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? पूछ रहे कुछ? आई थिंक. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच टीचर्स.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. Worksheet on from Alessandro. Who is telling me? Okay, I must tell you then. Question number 1, MCQ question. We drew this trapezium figure, okay, in which two parallel sides were given to you, 25 and 13, and non-parallel side was each equal to 10 centimeter. Last time we did, and its option was coming out to be B option. It was 152 centimeter square. Let us start with B. Second question now. ABCD is a rhombus where the edges AB and CD are parallel. Okay. And what is the other name of rhombus? Can you tell me? They have said opposite sides are parallel. और अगर नहीं given हो तो do you judge it? Are they parallel? Opposite sides are parallel? Sure. Say parallel or not? It is given that opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. It is given. Or otherwise, अगर नहीं भी given हो, do you think these are parallel?
Yes,
Yes. Why?
because it is a rhombus, and in rhombus all the opposite sides are equal.
Because a rhombus is a parallelogram also. Originally, it is a parallelogram, but it is a special kind of parallelogram. That's why its special name is rhombus. Okay, parallelogram की सारी qualities जो हैं they exist in rhombus also. Right? Opposite sides are already parallel, even if it is not given. Now it is given AB is equal to 20 centimeter. This is given 20 centimeter, and BD is given to be 32. This is given to be 32 centimeter. One diagonal is there and one side is there. You have to find the area of the rhombus. For area of rhombus, what do you require?
Half into D1 into D2.
Half of D1 into D2. This is a single formula, special formula in which diagonals are used. Okay. And here D1 is given to you. You have to find D2. Without finding D2, we won't be able to do. It is given half of D1. It is 32, but D2 is not given to you. How will you find D2? Let us draw it first. Let us draw it with dotted line, which is not given to us. We construct ourselves, right? Let us see, cut each other at O. How will you find other diagonal? Or a intersection? Navya, any guesses, beta? Navya? Or a intersection?
Absent, ma'am.
Okay. Vishal, Aristotle? Vishal is present? Anybody from Aristotle section? Okay. If Vishal is not there. Alessandro? Alessandro, anyone? I can see one hand.
Ma'am, A option.
Tell me what is that actually? Tell me from the beginning. Answer we'll see later. Tell me what it should be. How will find D2 first of all? Because many children are stuck in.
Firstly, ma'am, in the rhombus, ma'am, we will firstly say that in the rhombus that all the two diagonals are perpendicular bisectors, so they bisect them each other perpendicularly. So angle AOB equal to 90 degree.
Yes. Yes.
So, ma'am, we know that in a they're perpendicular bisector. So 32's half is 16. So OB is 16. Then we will apply Pythagoras theorem and we will find O. That is coming out 12.
Wonderful. Very good, Beta. Please sit down. Let us see. Everybody look here. Diagonals of rhombus, they bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. Bisect each other at 90 degree. This is very, very important property of diagonals. Okay, D1 and D2. We are talking about here diagonals. This is very important property of a rhombus. D1 and D2 bisect each other at 90 degree. So 90 degree is already there, and it is a big clue for you that 90 degree means you have to use the Pythagoras property. And BD we have drawn it to be 32. You can take it as half of it. It is equal to 16. OB you have found it to be 16 centimeter. OB you have found, AB is given to you, right? In right angle triangle, AOB, you can find out OA length. Please apply it, everybody. Find what is coming. OA,
12. 12.
OA square is 144 and OA will be coming out to be 12 centimeter. Right? OA is 12 centimeter. Now AC is known to you. Now you come to know what is other diagonal. AC 24. Yeah, 24 centimeter. Double of it.
Half into 24 into 32 equal to 384.
Okay. Now you can apply the formula of rhombus, area of rhombus. That will be coming out to be 384 centimeter square. E option. 384 centimeter square. This question is very, very a peculiar question because normally diagonals are given. You have to find the area. Okay, different question because here you are applying the Pythagoras also and then applying the area. It is not a direct question. Okay, please remember this point. This is very, very important about the rhombus, which is forgettable, you know, because hardly we use this figure. Rhombus की बात आती है, generally this property is used, especially in 8th class. 8th onwards, I should say. ठीक है, 7th तक तो नहीं use होता ज़्यादा. 8th onward, this property is used a lot. Rhombus is used a lot. Third question is area of rhombus is 120 square unit if the lengths of the diagonals are given 10 and 7x plus 3. Then you have to find the value of x. Diagonals are given to you, but they are of different measurement.
We will put 120 equal to half into 10 into 7x plus 3.
Yeah, please let me ask others also. Anybody from Aristotle section? You have come to know that two diagonals are given to you. You know the formula of area of rhombus also. Please apply and tell me the value of x. Alessandro, please wait. Please wait. Yeah? I know you have found. Let everybody do. You have to practice it by writing, beta, so that you can. Such things will become, you know, easy for you to apply in exam also. D1 is given to you. It is 10 centimeter, and D2 is given to you. That is different. Not a normal number. It is 7x plus 3. It is an expression. Okay, you have to use the expression. It is okay. जो given को use करना है हमने. Area is equal to half of D1 into D2. I hope everybody is found now. Area is given to you. Please raise your hand who have found x is equal to 3. Wonderful. X is equal to 3. This is a simple question now for everybody. Formula should be correct. Rest all is simple. Question number 4. The altitude of rhombus whose area is 315 centimeter square and perimeter is 180 centimeter will be what? Altitude of rhombus we have to find out. Okay, here you have actually it is a parallelogram that you know. Okay, two diagonals are given to you. Altitude of rhombus whose area is 315 centimeter square. Area is given to you 315 centimeter square. Perimeter is also given is equal to 180 centimeter. No diagonal is given to you. No diagonal. Okay, you have to find the altitude. Altitude actually. Rhombus के अंदर altitude कहाँ पे है? Can you guess it?
Ma'am, done.
Anybody else who has done? Alessandro, many, okay, Alessandro, many have done. Aurobindo, please raise your hand, beta. Anybody has done? Let me give you a clue, okay? And everybody will be able to do. You know, in a rhombus, perpendicular is like this. This is a perpendicular, okay? And this perpendicular will fall on this base. These are all same that you know. If one is known to you, तो base भी पता चल जाएगा. You have to find the altitude, and then you have to find rest is given to you, area is given to you, perimeter is given to you. Two things are given to you. The things which are given to you, use them. From Alessandro section, you have to just explain me by standing what all you did.
Ma'am, firstly, ma'am, we will say that a rhombus is a trapezium because in rhombus the opposite side one of the opposite sides is parallel. So, ma'am, we can apply the formula of area of that trapezium. So, ma'am, half into height into the sum of the opposite sides is equal to the area. Ma'am, area we know, and perimeter is the perimeter of rhombus is 4 into s. So ma'am, we can find the s. Ma'am, and the sum of parallel sides is ma'am 2s. And then we will ma'am, solve it by half into x into 90 equal to 315. Answer will come ma'am 7.
Another way, please see here, all of you. You know this is a rhombus, you know, and rhombus is like square only. All the sides are equal. So perimeter will be equal to 4s. That is sure because all the sides are equal. It is given out to be 180. So you can find s 180 by 4. It is coming out to be 45 centimeter. One side has come out to be 45. Each side is equal to 45, 45, 45. Of course, centimeter. This is also 45 base, right? You have to find the height. So you know, rhombus is originally a parallelogram also. Rhombus is a parallelogram, right? So what is the area of parallelogram that you know? You did last year also. In 7th also you did. It is base into height, right? Rhombus is originally a parallelogram. Parallelogram का area क्या होता है? Base into height. You apply that formula. Base is 45. Height is to be known. So it will be 315 is equal to 45 into h. From here you can find h. Is it simple now? This is also the way to do. Okay, बेटा, whatever property you know, 7th में 8th में जितनी भी आपने properties पढ़ी हैं उनको apply करो. Nobody can deny कि rhombus is a parallelogram. Parallelogram का area आपको पता है, उसको apply करो base into height. Base is known to you, height you have drawn here. To be, please take it. What is h coming? 315 by 45. Please check it. What is
7.
7 centimeters.
7 unit is answer.
7 centimeters is the answer. So it is coming out to be D option. I hope everybody has understood. Wonderful. Question number 5. Pictures of textbook are given in the form of L into B into H. Book is a rectangular. From the dimensions you can see L into B into H. Right? It is to be covered with a brown paper. If for each book wastage is 164 centimeter square of paper, how much paper is required to wrap one book? Okay, when you are wrapping a book with cover, what it should be? क्या क्या given है? सबसे पहले तो इसकी जो LBH is given to you, that you can write. L into B into H, dimensions are given to you. You can write down 22 into 11 into 3. ठीक है, centimeters आपके साथ है. Then you are applying. You have to put cover on that. Okay. This will be covered with a brown paper. If for each book wastage 164 centimeter square is the wastage out of it. Okay. Wastage is 164 centimeter square. How much paper is required to for one book?
Ma'am, D.
Of course, we are using the surfaces.
Total surface area.
To put the cover, which formula we are applying?
Ma'am, 2 into L plus LB into plus HL plus
Yeah.
L plus HB.
Okay. Write down surface area of book to be covered. If cover करना है, that will be
682.
LB plus LB. 2 आपके पास length into breadth होंगे, right? And 2 आपके पास क्या होंगे? Length into height. You can write it as 2 LB plus LH. ये मैंने आपको ऊपर वाला समझाने के लिए किया है. Otherwise you know it कि 2 times LB plus LH. We are talking about surface areas. So these surface areas are to be used to cover. तो रेस्ट डायमेंशन सब तो आपका सारा पता है. ए भी पता है, एल भी पता है, बी भी है और एच भी सब कुछ पता है. ओके, कैन यू फाइंड इट? It is coming out to be. Please add them all. Find it. What is coming? Bottom, top, and back you are covering, is it? LB you are covering 2 times and LH also you are covering. Yeah, what is coming? बेटा आंसर क्या आ रहा है इसका?
Ma'am, we are not covering the 3 sides. Ma'am.
We are covering the 3 sides. Yes.
Then ma'am, we have put on 3. Ma'am, we are putting 4.
Let us check. I'm drawing it over here. See, आप इसमें LB use कर रहे हो. एक तो वो तो sure है. ठीक है. Then you are using LB once more, and then you are using LH. Sorry. ठीक है. LH also you are using. Three things you are using, right? You are using the back also. I'm drawing the picture here. You can see. Okay, we'll be drawing like this. You can see very well how this is to be covered. Right? You are using breadth also, length also, and you are using this part also. This will be covered as H. Okay. 2 LB आपकी use हो रही है और एक आपकी LH use हो रही है. So what it is coming बेटा? 3 sides को जब आप cover कर रहे हो तो use all the dimensions. LB and LH. What is coming?
714.
714. Including 714 is including that 550 plus 164. It is coming to be 714 centimeters square. Right? I think same question you have done in your NCERT also. Okay, which option is coming? Beta matching is for A option is matching. It is 714 centimeter square. Next question is, today we'll be finishing it. Sixth question is the longest pole length that can be put in a room of dimension 10, 10 and 5. Have you read this formula?
Ma'am, yes.
Longest rod that can be put. I would like to ask somebody else from Aristotle. Rhoda, please tell me longest pole that can be put in a room.
Ma'am, under root L square plus B square plus H square.
Okay. It is L square plus B square plus H square square root. Square root chapter आपने किया हुआ है, you know it is like this. This is the formula. LBH is given to you. Okay. So it is
15.
Yeah. You can do the calculation. This is all only. Okay, 15 meter is coming. It is option D, sorry. Last option is matching. It was simplest question, 2 marks question. Things are given to you. Just apply them. Seventh question means volume of cube is given to you. You have to find the h. Again, very simple question.
9.
We are just writing the answer. You know how to do. B part, it is 9 centimeter. Okay, cube ka volume is given to you. Formula you know. You can find the length of cube. Simplest. Question number 8. If there is any doubt, keep asking, beta. These are simple for you now. We are doing since long time this chapter. Let us finish it. Eighth question is dimensions of box are given to you. LBH, of course, it is cuboidal. You can see from the dimensions. How many cuboids of length 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 1 centimeter can be placed inside it?
250.
Yeah, we have box. उसका volume आप निकाल सकते हो. ठीक है? That will be what? Very simple calculation आपको दी हुई है 20 into 10 into 5. Okay.
That
1000 centimeter cube, very simple calculation. And you have to find the other thing is you have cuboids. Small cuboids are there. V2 you can find out. Uski bhi dimensions are given to you. 2, 2 and 1. Okay. You have to find how many cuboids can be fit into bigger box. This is very simple. Aristotle, please tell me anyone. Number of cuboids.
my answer is 250.
V1 by V2. I know many have found it. This is not difficult. 250 is coming. You must be tired also by now, huh? It's okay. I'm helping you. These questions are not difficult, which we are doing it faster. 6, 7, 8. Simple questions. Okay. Children who are not doing the calculation now, they can leave the space. 2, 3 lines you can leave and please complete it later. Okay. Write the answers. Ninth question. Total surface area of cube is given to you. It's what? Very simple. This is again very simple. You can do it. Ninth, I'm leaving it to you. Yeah. Question number. Iska ninth ke I think option is coming B. You can write
Yes,
down.
343.
Yes, please match it later. Okay, when you will be doing it. Few children are not doing it side by side. You can write the answer. You can match it later. Question number 10. Diameter of a roller 120 centimeter long is 84 centimeter. Read the sentence 2 times to know it better. Read it 2 times to know it better. What is the length and what is the height, I should say, because this is cylindrical. What is the height and what is the diameter? Question number 10. Right? You know, diameter is length is given to you. Of course, this is the diameter, 84 centimeter, and you need radius always. So we'll be dividing it as by 2 and getting 42 as the radius. Then it is given to you length of the roller. Of course, this will be the height. This is given to be 120 centimeter. Height is given to you. And now you have to see roller is rolling around. You know, roller is moving. So what part is used when roller is moving? It is moving like this. Side circles are not used while rolling. So which formula you are going to apply? Which formula you are going to apply in this then? When cylinder is moving, you have to
Cylinder.
curved surface area. Okay, CSA of the cylinder. Please find out CSA of roller. Here we are talking about roller. What is CSA of this cylinder? I'm in the section first bench children beta. जल्दी से बता दो इसका formula. I'm not asking you calculation. Calculation में I'm helping you.
2 pi
2 pi RH. Yes, 2 pi RH. Everything is given to you. Find the CSA of roller, which will be giving you.
Done.
Please wait, please wait. Let everybody know. 2 pi RH. I'm writing the answer, you can match it. It is coming out to be 31,680. 31,680 centimeters square. Please check it. Okay. When the roller is moving, one CSA, one इसका जो one revolution है, given us one revolution is giving us 31680 centimeter square. It is covering one row, one revolving is covering this much area. Okay, but there are 500 rotation. So for 500 revolutions, what will you find? 31680 into 500. Okay. Keep noting it better so that you can revise it also later. Can we leave it like this? इसको multiply मत करो. इसको let it be like this only because we have to use it next also for the cost. You need not waste time in multiplying over here. You save your time because next time we have to use the same thing, same numbers for the cost also. Right? Please find the cost for 1 meter square. 1 meter square की cost आपको दी हुई है 0.30 rupees 0.30. Cost for 1 meter square. And this answer is coming in centimeter square. Take care of the unit. Please match them first of all. आपका जो answer है that is coming in centimeter square, but cost is given for 1 meter square. Take care. Make the unit same first of all. Meter square first of all. Alessandro, आपको mic off करना पड़ेगा बेटा. I think other children are getting disturbed. I will. Yes. Okay. Good. Please, everybody do it. Convert it into meter square first of all. 31680 into 500. We have to convert it into meter square. Of course, it will be 100 into 100 meter square. जब तक conversion नहीं करोगे, you need not find the cost because cost is in meter square. Now it has become easy for you. Please find out what is coming. Aristotle section, Ekta, I'm waiting for you. Please do it.
Wait for
Repeat.
1584.
1584.
Yeah, 1584 meters square. Now you can find the cost. Now it is simpler for you. Cost, which was asked. I'm not writing the sentence that you know, right? We have to simply multiply it by 0.30. It will become rupees
75.2. 475.2.
2. We write it as 20 because we are talking about money. Okay? Yes. Whenever we write the money, we write in rupees and paise. Please write it to 20 paisa. Okay. Mention it in this way. तो आपकी ऑप्शन मैच कर रही है इसकी ये ऑप्शन एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क बेटा
No.
let us do next 11th question 11th question is ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of right circular cylinder. Ratio between CSA and TSA of right circular cylinder. That is given to you 1:2.
1.
Right? 1/2. 8th class में ratio questions काफी आते हैं. And you will be doing more in the 9th class also. Right?
Ratio.
Height and radius you have to find out. Your purpose is you have to reach at this. What is coming H ratio R. You have to reach at this point. Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 1:1.
Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Let everybody do. Apply the formula. Or window section. Very good. 2 लाइन का क्वेश्चन है बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है just apply the formula your answer will be in front of you answer should be correct Aurobindo Arshdeep Singh tell me quickly very good
1:1.
1:1 hope you are getting this answer have you done it or you are telling me the same answer it was told by Alessandro also earlier have you applied the formula beta come back एक बार और आओ आगे very good जल्दी से फॉर्मूला बता दो इनके CSA और इसका
Curved surface area is 2 pi RH
क्या bottom
and total surface is 2 pi. No, ma'am. Pi R square H
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना
plus.
it is it's like this right okay do it now do it now your answer will be coming 1:1
Ma'am,
okay you have got it it is coming by this is equal to 1/2 it is given so H by H plus R is coming out to be 1/2 and from here when you cross multiply and find it it is coming H by R is equal to 1/1 which is 1:1 okay since they have asked the ratio of H and R so H will be in the numerator and R will be the denominator ठीक है proceed it that way it is asked to you उसकी way में आपको proceed करना है okay 12th question volume of cylinder is given to you height is given to you radius you have to find you must have done such questions earlier also I'm telling you the answer of 12 it is C option 8 centimeter simple question है volume given है volume का formula लगाना है and then you have to find the height height is given to you 7 centimeter you have to find the radius
ma'am, done.
formulas are given you know understood by you you are already learned it please remember यहाँ पे 448 pi दिया हुआ है already okay so it is very simple pi को pi से cancel करके it will become more simple for you 13th question question number 13 very different question 13th question please everybody do till now I was making you relaxed it is okay you can do it later they are with you 13th question is very different height of right circular cylinder is given to you 10.5 meter to you 10.5 meter and 3 times the sum of the areas of its two circular faces. Circular faces of a cylinder. Circular faces will be what? They will be circle. These are the circular faces. Okay? We are talking about circles only. Sum of the areas is given to you. Pi r square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square is given to you. Okay? So they are saying 3 times their sum. Their sum. 3 times their sum is equal to twice of twice of CSA. What is that? 2 times the area of curved surface. That is 2 pi RH. अभी आपने formula बताया था. This is the condition given to you. 3 times sum of areas. 3 times sum of the circle areas is equal to 2 times CSA. Okay? This is the condition given to you. You have to find the volume. थोड़ा सा लंबा question है. Please go through it. H is given to you. Everybody do. Last question you are doing. Don't tell me answer by sitting only. Everybody will do. I have told you the big clue. It is in this form. H is given to you. You have to find the volume. I will call the name. Don't tell me answer. Alessandro section, beta. Even if you have found, you can wait for others. Yes, Aristotle section. Be ready. I'm going to call. Have you found or you're doing it, beta?
Option
Which option?
C.
Okay, tell me please. Can you tell me in detail what is R coming? आइकॉन करो. R क्या आ रहा है? पहले R बताओ ना. रेडियस कितना आ रहा है?
Ma'am, answer 7.
7 centimeter. 7 meter. Sorry, here we are talking about meter. So volume you can find out. Everybody is getting the same. 1617. Raise your hand who found it. Okay, Alessandro, many have done. Okay. Good. R is known to you, it is 7 meter. Okay, then volume formula you know, pi r square h. Then you can find the value by putting these both values, and option is coming C option.
Yes.
Meter cube. Take care of unit. You know, sometime in options it comes like this. Two options are there, 1617 centimeter cube, and other option is there, 1617 meter cube. Take care. See the units very carefully and then mark it when you do it. Okay. Case study question. It is same. We did it earlier also. I'm leaving it. Okay. You did, you know, first question हमने किया था. Mensuration आपके जब start हुआ था ये topic. First
Yes.
question, it is same as that.
Only one question is left, ma'am. 7th one.
7th किसका बेटा? Yeah, okay. This diagram is left. Okay, this you can do, I think. You have done now? You have done all the chapter questions?
Yes.
Okay, I want to do little more true false of this same chapter so that आपकी assertion reason और strong हो जाए, थोड़ा concept clear हो जाएगा. I want to do assertion reason of these mensuration. First, I'm going to write. I'm doing it in true false form. Once you know true false, then your answer will be done. Assertion reason हो ही जाता है जब आप true false कर लेते हैं तो assertion reason हो ही जाता है उससे. I'm writing first point is areas of. First point is areas of any two faces of Q are equal. Areas of any two faces of Q. Please remember, any two we are talking about. Okay? Any two faces, of course, Q पे सारे faces same होते हैं, तो इसका आंसर 2 आएगा. And what about cuboid? Areas of any two faces of cuboid are equal. Is it true?
False.
This is not true because cuboid में faces are. If they talk about opposite faces, then it is true. But when they talk about any two faces, then it is false. Right? Because they don't match with each other. Adjacent faces जो है they don't match with each other. ठीक है? See the condition. Any को मैंने इसलिए underline किया है. So read the sentence very carefully. Two cuboids with equal volume. Two cuboids with equal volume have equal surface area. Equal surface area. Is it true? Always have. I should write here always. Is it so? Always को underline करो. Two cuboids with equal volume always have equal surface area.
False.
It will be false. It doesn't happen always. Because formulas are different. Values will be different. Right?
बेटे शोर नहीं करना ऐसे ही
Okay. One last I am doing. Ratio of area of circle. The ratio of area of circle to area of square whose side is equal to radius. Understand, small r is radius only. Ratio of area of circle to the area of square whose side is equal to the radius is 5 ratio 1. 1:5, sorry. Please check it. Ratio of area of circle to the area of square whose side is equal to r is 1:5.
False.
From Aurobindo, somebody told me?
Yes.
False. आज आपका कैमरा कंट्रोल नहीं है मैं I can't see your faces. Beginning front benches जो है I can't see your faces. Okay, how did you do? Can you explain me, beta?
Ma'am, because its circle area is written first, so it will come in numerator.
Yes.
Formula and area of square formula will come in denominator.
What will be that?
Side square.
That is?
Side square.
What is the side?
R.
R square. R square, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what should be the that ratio?
R, ma'am, R and R cut. R square cut.
Pi
Pi.
ratio. ठीक है, pi ratio 1 is coming, this will be false. But to make the statement true, इसमें statement में change क्या होनी चाहिए? How should you write the statement to make it true?
Ma'am, we will write ratio of area of square to ratio to area of circle.
Area of that circle. If we write the square upper and circle down, then it will be true. So please take care while writing the ratio. Right? These are small things. Otherwise, you have knowledge of all the topics, everything. Formulas are known to you. Right? Take care of tiny calculations and important points. Okay, this assignment is completed now, mensuration. Okay, which topic you would like to do next time? Out of which are coming in your exam? Direct and inverse is coming, beta?
Ma'am, introduction to graphs is also left chapter.
Okay, that is coming in your exam. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Difficulty actually you are finding in that. Otherwise, introduction to graph में problem आ रही है कुछ आपको? Okay, it is simple. Okay, can you tell me what is in axis in graph when we talk about axis, x-axis and y-axis? Can you tell me which is dependent and which is independent? Dependent variable कौन सा होता है और independent variable कौन सा होता है? You know, you write the points और सारे जो points हैं आप ऐसे mention करते हो ना? Abscissa and ordinate लिख के one more you write x2 y2. So which is dependent and which is independent? Suppose I draw a graph of time distance graph. In time distance graph, which is dependent and which is independent? Can you tell me?
Time is independent and distance is dependent.
Okay, then where time will come? Where you will be taking y-axis or x-axis?
No time we will take on y-axis.
No. Independent thing is always taken on the x-axis. Which is time always here. Time is here and distance is here. Okay?
ठीक है याद आ गया हाँ.
Independent we take at the bottom, x-axis and dependent will be coming distance. Okay? So this is the dependent, independent, you know, but where they take place that you have to think of. Okay, beta? Next time if we get chance, we'll be focusing on this. We'll be doing more questions of graph also. You have not done it with me. Chalo, see you next time, beta. Bye-bye.
Bye.